Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gaining safe access to the action. Remove the fallboard and the lower front panel so you can see the sustain pedal mechanism clearly. Once exposed, check the pedal rod, hinge pin, felt bushings, and any return springs for obvious wear or misalignment. This visual step tells you whether lubrication, tightening, or part replacement is next. Make sure you've got a small flashlight and the basic tools ready. That avoids interrupting the workflow and helps you identify the first fix quickly. Now disassemble just enough to diagnose the fault. Loosen the lock nut on the pedal rod and slide the rod to test playthrough and lateral wobble. If the felt or leather pads are compressed or torn, remove them and measure thickness and diameter for a replacement. This is where correct dimensions matter. Examine the hinge pin closely. If it has burrs or oval wear, remove, clean, and lightly file, or swap it for a matching pin so the pedal returns smoothly and consistently. Reassemble and adjust. Put the hinge pin and bushings back, install new felt or washer, then tighten the lock nut while leaving about 1 to 2 millimeters of free play so the mechanism isn't binding. Next, regulate key dip and damper lift so the pedal gives even sustain across the keyboard. Depress and listen, making small adjustments until release is clean. If you still hear noise or the pedal won't return, inspect spring tension and all felt contact points. Correct spring angle or replace the spring as a final troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.